Hey guys, this is a short video about type 2 diabetes, made simple. Enjoy! When you eat food, it's broken down into three main components: fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. With diabetes, we're most interested in carbohydrates because when it's broken down in the digestion process, it's turned into glucose. So what is carbohydrates? They include foods like breads, rice, pasta, potato, fruit, milk, and yogurt. So in the normal digestion process, you've eaten food which is broken down into the protein, fats, and carbohydrates, and the carbohydrate component is broken down into sugar. Now that sugar travels in the bloodstream as glucose to the cells of the body, like muscles and fat cells. In order for sugar to enter the cells, the pancreas produces a special hormone called insulin. And think of insulin as the key which unlocks the cell, opening it up so that the sugar can enter the cells for energy. So the insulin allows the glucose to enter the blood. When this whole process is functioning properly, the blood sugar levels, your glucose levels, are regulated and it's at a good healthy level. So let's look at a situation where somebody with diabetes has a problem with their blood sugar level. The first problem is either the pancreas isn't producing enough insulin for the amount of blood sugar that is traveling to the cells, or the body's cells aren't responding to the insulin that's trying to open the cells up to accept the blood sugar, the glucose, into the cells. As a result, the blood sugar concentration in your blood rises and becomes a problem. And so because there is a buildup of blood sugar in your bloodstream, it's not being absorbed by the body's cells, it doesn't get the energy that it requires. So as a result, you feel tired and fatigued. Another issue is, in order for the blood to try and dilute the amount of blood sugar floating in the bloodstream, it draws fluid out from the cell, leaving you feeling dehydrated and thirsty. Over a longer time frame, if this continues to be a problem with too much glucose in the blood, you start to develop problems in your eyes, your gums, your teeth, your nerves, your kidney, and your heart. If you allow this condition to worsen over time, you can develop serious complications like blindness, kidney failure, heart attack, and stroke. In order to prevent this from happening, one of the best ways to reduce the chance of developing diabetes is having a closer look at what's on your plate. If you monitor your diet by reducing the amount of carbohydrates you eat, limiting high sugary foods like cake, chocolate, and fizzy drinks, and regular exercise, allows your body's cells to be more receptive to insulin. So remember, insulin's the key which unlocks the cell and allows the blood sugar in as a form of energy. So if you're exercising regularly, it helps take up the blood glucose and reduce the chance of developing diabetes. With the help of your doctor, you can be given a medication to help boost the amount of insulin. So for more information, please speak to your local doctor about a diabetes management plan under Medicare, where for no out-of-pocket cost you could be referred to ProPhysio Plus, and we can help you in managing your diabetes.